When Alijan was asked by Travis about how this Artyom Morozov left arm match was set up, his response was Robert Baxter called him for the match and he agreed. It's as simple as that. It's not as simple as that. Because Dadikian was literally demanding the match against Alijan in the same month, in the same event, in April. And at that time, Alijan denied it by saying that since he will still be recovering from the Ramadan fasts, he won't be in the shape to compete. What has changed now? Why did he agree to this match against Morozov? Is it because of something which Travis Bagent also mentioned?
See you tomorrow, sir. 4-1. 4-1 Alijan. Because there's no reason for him to take the match unless he thinks he can win. And he must know he can win.
Is it because he already knows he can defeat Morozov easily, but he cannot defeat Dadikian? That's why he refused that match and agreed to this one. Take a look at this comment from David Dadikian posted on the Instagram page of East vs West Arm Wrestling. I'm definitely backing Artyom. I feel like it was a bit classless of Alijan to challenge him right now. We all know the Lariat match was scrapped because of Artyom's injury. Yet Alijan calls him out only a month later. Alijan responds by saying, "You can laugh all you can, but it won't last long." David told Alijan to shut his mouth. In response, Alijan said that he's writing with his fingers and not his mouth. He has every right to express his opinion where he deems appropriate. David said that they should talk about this in personal messages and not publicly. He's not into those kind of things. It's quite clear that these two guys do not like each other. The good thing about the Morozov versus Alijan match is that no matter what happens in that match, no matter who comes out victorious, the Alijan versus Dadikian match can still happen. And it has been years since we saw the Dadikian versus Morozov match. So that match can also happen. And all of these three guys can actually go against Vitaly Laletin too. In the recent Body Mania video, Morozov weighed in at 130 kilos. Either the machine was faulty or Morozov was lying. Because in the East vs West interview, he weighed in at 138 kilos. I agree that the Body Mania video could have easily been shot a week ago, but it is impossible to gain that much weight in just a week's time. Morozov said that Alijan is lighter, he's faster, so he himself needs to be stronger than Alijan if he wants to win that match. And contrary to popular belief, they have never really trained with each other except for one time. And even during that time, it was Alijan who was doing most of the training. Sometimes we just assume that both guys are from the same country. It's not a very big country, so they may be training partners. It's nothing like that in this case. There was a question about comparing the common Ivan Matyushenko match, and Morozov said that if we look at our matches against Ivan, even I would bet on Alijan Muratov because he destroyed Ivan Matyushenko and I had a very good war, a close match against Ivan. Even though Morozov had the best match against Vitaly out of anyone else in the left arm matches that Vitaly has had, he still believes that it was a strength issue in that match for him. If he was strong enough, he would have defeated Vitaly, he wouldn't have got injured. And in fact, he was very well prepared to defeat Vitaly, but Vitaly wasn't well prepared. He had a TV show before that match. Then they were asked about their predictions of the Devon versus Vitaly upcoming right arm match. Morozov said that of course he's backing Vitaly Laletin. Alijan on the other hand believes Devon is the favorite. He stopped Levan in the first round. His right is his better arm. He should be able to win that match. The Leonidas versus Brian Shaw prediction. Alijan said he doesn't follow any of these arm wrestlers, so he cannot predict. How much more content do these guys need to push out for Alijan to notice them? I want to ask this question. Morozov said that in his mind, the favorite is Leonidas, especially in this super match format. He has more experience. But in the long term, with his size and frame, with enough time on the table, Brian Shaw can actually go very far in the sport of arm wrestling. He has good potential. I personally think that in this upcoming left arm match for the number 2 spot in the world, Artyom Morozov is in big trouble. His only hope will be to stop Alijan with a low hand top roll. If he cannot do that, the match is over. I don't see him stopping the match in a hook and then bringing it back from being down 2-0 like he did against David Dadikian. Don't see that happening. Alijan is the favorite. Use code Pradeep to purchase the East vs West 23 pay-per-view. I'll see you again.